Are you using method of verification as a credit repair tool? Credit bureaus in many cases are not investigating disputes as they should. Many letters get ignored. They use an automated system called the Oscar to investigate disputes. Please note that if you get a notice from the credit bureaus telling you the information you disputed has been verified as accurate, you can request the method of verification, which is your right under the FCRA Section 611(7). The credit bureau must give you this information within 15 days of the request. Here is the process you should use for tough disputes. The only issue is that you have to do this on behalf of your client. The best approach is to have your client make the call and keep logs. Here is the concept. You can contact the original creditor, and most of the time the account has been turned over to a third-party collector. You should ask them for the record. If they say that they do not have the record, get that person's name and direct phone line. If they do have the records, you can demand a copy under the FICO Act. If the records are sent, you can review a copy checking for errors or problems. If the records are not conclusive, process to the next step. If the original creditor has no records, call or write the credit bureau back and tell them that original creditor has no records of the account. Next, request that they open another dispute with this new information. You will be including the name and number of the person you spoke with at the creditor's office. If the credit bureau refuses, inform them that you have the right to sue for willful non-compliance under Section FCRA 616. Here is where it becomes tricky. If they still refuse, you can send intent to sue letter. Keep in mind that it is a crime to threaten suit with no intention of doing so. You must be willing to take this action. Where there is a new investigation, the credit bureau has 30 days to get back to you. To significantly improve your credit scores, visit Credit Healing.